Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. We're starting the vlog off in the car. I am going to my appointment. Oh, that's so sweet. There's this car with this older gentleman next to me, and he was like, he just mouthed, "You're so beautiful." I'm like, "Oh, thank you, thank you." That made my day. But on my way to my dental appointment, gotta get the pearly whites pearling, you know. So yeah, actually I'm early because they had called me and told me that somebody canceled and that I can well, I was already getting ready, so works out for me. And I didn't make a lot of traffic. I'm gonna turn here. Can I turn? Can you pull down just a smidge for me, sir? Or madam, I don't know who I drive. Can you just pull down a little bit so I can turn? Lord, Sean. My girl just, ugh. But, yeah. Yeah, so I just arrived. My teeth feel so clean. She did so good. I'm just waiting for the dentist to come and check me out. But my teeth is clean. The cold is taking a toll on my lips. I'll be back.
A few moments later.
All right. Oh God. So that is done. My teeth feel clean. Oh, I need to show y'all something about what happened. Let me show y'all this real quick. I don't know if y'all can see it, but remember I told y'all that there was a nick. This was the nick bowl. How long ago? And I don't know, maybe it's because it's cold. I have a big old crack in my windscreen. Isn't that marvelous?
Bye.
hey. Yeah. What do you want to show me again? So, we're here chilling with this guy. He just ate. Said he's naked. Can't show anything from the neck down. And then Lila wanted to show me something that she's been working on.
Cotton candy inspired girl.
Let's see. She's using the thing to learn how to draw eyes.
Yes,
Yeah.
and also how to draw hair.
Cool. Let me see. I'm focusing. Hold on. Wait. Let me zoom out a little bit. Zane, you're shaking mommy's hand. Ooh, looks cute. Say hi to the vlog.
I was gonna do instead a cookie inspired, but then as soon as I started on the skirt, I was like, no, this is more like cotton candy.
Yeah. So she loves drawing, and she's been working on something. You okay? Is there something else? Oh, look at that.
I finished this one last night.
She's always drawing something.
The building was like the hardest part.
It reminds me of something I've seen in some cartoon you watched before. Hold on, let me zoom in a little bit. Especially the top.
Queen Cupcakes Cafe. And then she's the mascot. She's supposed to be Queen Cupcake as a human.
Let me zoom in so. Lord have mercy. Just zoom in at the face so.
Mommy, I know what Zane's thinking. He's thinking about, I want to go drool on that drawing. It'd be so nice.
A Merry New Year.
We wish you a Merry New Year.
The deal you make on your phone is the deal you
Watch it!
You did?
If you drop asleep on Big New Year's.
Say hey. Say Happy New Year. Say Happy New Year. Oh, okay. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. You're not feeling it? You're not feeling it? Say Happy New Year, guys. So it's 2022. No, it's 2023. Say Happy New Year, Mama. Happy New Year.
I get it. I have.
Yeah.
I have.
Mommy,
Oh, Lord.
each year is
Huh?
Each year is everyone.
Well, yeah. Oh, don't mind my appearance. I don't have my tripod thing. Christmas stuff is still up. I need to take that down today. Kisses. This is me all the time. Yeah, they can see you. They can see you. They can see you. So I was here, not journaling, but filling out my planner for the new year. Yeah. I wanna journal too. I have to do this when he's not on me. But just filling in. It's a weekly and daily planner. No, it's a monthly. Wait. Oh God. All right, you want me to start talking? You know what? Ow. Oh God. I'll come back, y'all. I will come back. Hey guys, so I'm back home. Well, it's a while later, and I'm back home. This little guy missed his mama. Yeah, I'm just here. The girls are home now too from school. My coffee that I got from Starbucks in the previous clip, it's not the same. They didn't have heavy cream, they had sweet cream, and it just make it over sweet, and I didn't like it. It's okay. It's just, you know, this one is like a 4. It's sweet. Too sweet. Ugh. Yeah, but usually it's a shaken espresso with white mocha, a splash of heavy cream, and caramel drizzle. Am I missing anything? Yeah. That's it. And that's what I usually get, even on cold days like today. I get that. But this, it was a no bueno. Yeah, so what I got. Okay. I don't know, as you guys can see, I did get diapers, of course. Yeah. Baby boy need diapers. I got that. And I got something else. So I got a variety of things. Ooh, I got something for, who do you think this is for? Layla Bear. So she said she wanted a journal, and I got her this cute little one. I saw this one with an L on it. It was like $5. Cute little journal. She didn't see it yet. So yeah, that's for Layla. I already got my planner. I think I showed y'all in a previous clip. But yeah, that's my planner. I started organizing already. I need some planner stickers because I'm that girl. Yeah. The ones I got, they don't even come off. Don't mind my nails. I need to redo them. Yeah, but these don't even come off. These are cute, but they don't come off. So a few of them, look, when they come off, it rips. I was highly upset. Yeah. Ooh, I got this journal because I'm going to start journaling, but this is a self-care journal, and I am so in love with it. It's a journal for taking care of you, and I plan to do that this year because I've been falling short on taking care of me. So yeah, I can't wait to start doing that. I know it's a little washed out, but it says, this one right here says help someone, and I'm all for that. Have a spot of tea, join a fun group. Like, I love this. So I'm gonna be using my calendar more, my planner more, and of course this self-care book. I really love that. Oh, I got some makeup wipes. They had these where you buy 2, you get like $5 back. I'm all for the discounts. So yes, I got a $5 gift card on that. Got some new towels. So these are like 2 packs. I think I asked hubby to pick these up, but I didn't get a chance to look at them. So these are the quick dry bath towels, and it's 100% cotton, and it's low length. I'm all for that. And I got them in white. God help me, I have 2 little girl. Yeah, but you know what? I might get them a different color, but the white ones just give you luxury. So some towels, just to change out the towels. New year, changing towels. I just wanted some new towels. Could you pass me this bag right here, please? Both of them. You don't have to pick up the bag. Just give me that. And then give me those bags right there. This one. Just take one out of it and give it to me. Thank you. And then I got some washcloths. They're so cute, and I think you get 4. It's coffee, some towels, some washcloths. Ooh, and this blackout curtain, because I want to show you curtains in the living space. When I put them up, I'll show them to y'all. But it's like this, and it's really long because we have high windows. So yeah, I think these are really cute, and it has like the gray on the bottom because I usually keep around throughout the year. I keep my living room like neutral. So yeah, I like these. but I wonder if I think we got 2 of these. I think I may, no, 2 is fine. Yeah, I have 3 up right now, but I think 2 is fine. But yeah, this is my little Target haul. I'm gonna ask hubby to put these curtains up for me. But yeah, the girls are home. They have snacks that they want to go eat. This guy missed me a bit. I did get something else. I did get cat food for Cookie the cat. I did get that. Yeah, so that's my little mini Target haul. Just some necessities, well, except for this. I really wanted the self-care journal. Yeah, enjoying these. I want to start doing weekly vlogs, and I'm going to try my best to be consistent, because that's my biggest thing this year, because I think I always fall off the wagon not recording. I'm going to be vlogging weekly and putting out my other content, the stuff I do use for filming. Like I did one years ago. There's quite a few things that has been updated. For instance, camera, editing software and stuff like that. Like I'll get into that in that video. I should be posting that maybe next week, because like I said, I'm doing these weekly, so I'm trying to, you know, be consistent, give you regular content plus vlog content, so be on the lookout for that. And I enjoy this week's vlog, just up and down, just us being us. Yeah, I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Zany Poo's asleep, so bye.